Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gill, here to share the June 2022 Shots of Life kit. So the Shots of Life comes out every other month and it coordinates with our flavors of the month. So if you're looking for some more product for it, or if you like these collections and you want some more, then check out the flavors of the month. This is our pocket page scrapbooking kit, but it is perfect for traveler's notebooks, memory planning, all types of small type documenting, as well as 12 by 12 scrapbooking, because most of the backs are full 12 by 12 pattern papers. So let's dig in. We're going to take a closer look at everything that's in this month's Shots of Life. Starting with our patterned paper, in the Shots of Life, you normally either get cut-apart sheets. Occasionally, you'll get actual Project Life cards. This month, it's all about the 12 by 12 cut-aparts. So for Echo Park, away we go. We have the 4 by 6 cut-aparts, and then this one is split into two, so it's a 3 by 4, and then we have some little squares down here, 2 by 2 squares. So that's always a lot of fun. The back is a pink polka dot. Looks like I had a little flaw in one of mine. Echo Park Endless Summer, we have the 3 by 4 cut apart. And the back is a little plus sign in the two-toned blue. Photo Play paper. Oh, What a Beautiful Day is this paper called Hello Sunshine. And it has some 3 by 4 and 4 by 6. I just love all the bumblebees that we're seeing right now and bright, happy colors. The back is this great cloud print with the stitching design offset. From Simple Stories Summer Lovin', we have the 4 by 6 cut aparts. So we have some that are in the vertical and then some that's in the horizontal. Love this little scene here. And the back is this kind of retro hippie floral print. That's just too cute. From Beach Party and from Cartabella is the 3 by 4 cut apart. So this is that great textured heavy cardstock weight Cartabella is known for. Love the ice cream cone and the red, white, and blue. So this could carry over into your July documenting as well. The back is just a fun little circle print of different sizes. From Heidi Swap Sun Chaser, we have this paper called Happy Place, and she always gives you lots of different fun sizes. So we have some tags, we have some small little squares, we have this long rainbow strip, some smaller tags and smaller little pieces, and then also this big one that's, let's see, it's bigger than 6, maybe a 4 by 7 or something. That's a lot of fun. I love this ledger down here. The back is this pink watercolor brush stroke. And then from Simple Stories, Let's Get Crafty, we have the 3 by 4 cut apart. This block here, you could use it as it is or fussy cut it out for embellishments. Super cute. The back is this gorgeous floral print. And then from Vicki Booten's Sweet Rush, we have the 3 by 4 cut apart. A much needed break, location and date. Love that one. That's great for vacations or just getting away for the day. Things I am loving right now, capturing the details of a day like today. Happiness starts here. So this would be great if you do list or journaling like that. The back are these tags, so you could cut those out in the 3 by 4 or cut it out in the tag shape and use for journaling. So one more look at all of the fun patterns that you're going to be working with this month. Then for the embellishments. So you're going to get some washi tape. I believe this goes to the Simple Stories, if I'm not mistaken. So these will vary, but I got the rainbow stripe. Then the Echo Park Endless Summer, we have the full 12 by 12 sticker sheet. We have a wide floral border, and then this little blue scalloped. Lots of titles and embellishments. I love the little guitar. For the Heidi Swap collection, we have the sticker sheet. Lots of fun little phrases on that. For the photo play paper, oh what a beautiful day, we have the dies paper. So this can be fussy cut, but they also sell dies that you can cut them with, and then stamps that coordinate with those dies. And now I'm stuck to my washi. So that's a lot of fun. We have the little bumblebees, live life in full bloom. So these would be great to make cards with. From the Vicky Bouton Sweet Rush collection, you're going to get a roll of washi. So these will vary as well. I got red butterflies on the pink. For Echo Park Away We Go, you're going to get some of the puffy stickers. So again, these will vary, but these are the ones that I got. And the Simple Stories Get Crafty, you're going to get some of the chipboard pieces. Then from Cartabella's Beach Party, you're going to get half a pack of the enamel dots. So that is the Shots of Life kit for this month. Be sure to check out all of our other kits available in the store, as well as lots of individual items. And then create and share with us on the Facebook group. Check out what the design team's doing there, and on the blog you'll have lots of inspiration. And we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.